What is cryptocurrency? Let's start simple. The dollars in your account are really just a row in a ledger, a private book a single company keeps. A blockchain is a shared record. The ledger is bundled into blocks, chained, and copied across thousands of computers. No bank approves it. The payment is broadcast to the whole network and is only processed once the majority agrees. Your funds live in a wallet you control, only able to be accessed by your private key, the secret that unlocks it. Not all coins are alike. Some, like Bitcoin, fluctuate violently, while stablecoins are built to always equal $1. Because it's just data on a shared ledger, value moves like a message. No borders, no business day waits. Want to earn interest on your USDC? Use Normal and earn 5.6% a year while you do.